Now, I'm going to discuss something about stock exchanges and their functioning. Stock exchange is an organized market where the purchase and sale of listed securities issued by joint stock companies, central government, state government, local government, joint stock companies, semi-government organizations, local bodies, foreign governments, etc. It is a place where one who wants to buy a particular security may find immediate seller and one who wants to sell his security may find an immediate purchaser at a reasonable, fair price, provided that particular security is listed in stock exchange. It is a place or market where listed securities are transacted. Stock exchange is like a big godown where different securities are purchased and sold. It's a marketplace where the listed securities may be bought or sold either for investment or for speculation. Stock exchange comprises all the places where buyers and sellers of stocks, bonds, of their representatives undertake transactions involving sale and purchase of securities. It is an organized market where such securities, shares, debentures, bonds, stocks of different joint stock companies are bought and sold under the established rules and regulations and bylaws. Stock exchange functions as it provides regular market for purchase and sale of securities, stock, share, debenture, bonds. It also evaluates securities. The current value of security is determined because of their regular purchase and sale. It is a free market where such transactions take place at a prevailing rates. Stock exchange provides liquidity and mobility to capital. It is a continuous market. So the investor, he can convert his securities into cash at any time by selling the same on the stock exchange. Important function is to provide safety in dealings to the customers. All business on a stock exchange is transacted under strict rules, regulations, bylaws of the stock exchange so that investors are protected. In the absence of these rules, the investors might be easily cheated by clever, dishonest brokers. My word is my bond. That means a high degree of commercial honor among us, the registered members of stock exchange, who are selected very judicially and required to observe rules of the exchange quite strictly. It will encourage capital formation. That is, encourage investors to invest money in listed securities. On account of these facilities, because of the safety, liquidity and good return, even persons of small income group are tempted to invest their hard-earned savings on a stock exchange. So the cycle of saving, investment, income, saving keeps on moving with higher speed, resulting in higher rate of capital formation. Stock exchange will minimize fluctuations in the prices of securities by providing wide, continuous market for purchase and sale of securities. And also it provides facilities for speculative transactions where the current price is low and sell the same in another market where the prices are high and vice versa. This will have a balancing effect. So prices will rise where they were low and will fall where they were earlier high. So it is known as arbitrage dealings. Stock exchange is a barometer of country's economy. Stock exchanges, they are not merely chief theatres of business transactions, so they are also barometers which indicate the general condition of the business in a country. Stock exchange assists the government and also joint stock companies in getting loan by providing facilities of purchase and sale of debentures in private companies and bonds of the government on stock exchange. Stock exchange helps to stimulate industrial investment by attracting the savings of masses into productive channels. It will mobilize the surplus funds lying idle in the hands of individuals, firms and corporations, thereby getting them invested into shares, stocks, debentures of joint stock companies. In the absence of this, large funds would have been remained locked up in the non-industrial ventures. Stock exchange is a nerve center of politics and prosperity of a country because ups and downs of the prices of securities on the stock exchange reflect the weal and woe of business world on which depends the politics of the country and also prosperity and adversity of national economy in a country. Stock exchanges are called economic barometers, indicating state of health not only of industrial companies but also economy as a whole country. If you want to feel the pulse of the British nation, then look for it not in the British House of Commons but in the London Stock Exchange. In other words, stock exchanges are not merely chief theatres of business transactions but they are indicators of general condition of business in a country. What is the utility or importance of stock exchange? Stock exchange provide open and free continuous market for sale and purchase of securities. It makes best possible of optimum use of capital by directing the flow of capital from inefficient to efficient, unproductive to productive, uneconomic to economic, unprofitable to profitable enterprises. It also safeguards all investors through strict laws. The risk on investment and securities is minimized and safety is well assured by the presence of continuous market negotiability, correct evaluation, listing rules and facility of liquidation their investments. So stock exchange, by its strict rules, interference of Securities Exchanges Board of India and its rules and regulations bylaws provided safety against false securities to the investors. Stock exchange will save the money and invest the same in more profitable areas of investment in securities, which is expected to give them high return. Thank you.